Jai Hind everyone, welcome to another video class. I hope you all are fine and healthy as well. The continuation of the same chapter what we have started, combustion and flame. We will talk about something new special today. We will discuss about some new topics. But before that, we need to recapture everything what we have done in the past class. So let's get back to the same topic what we have done in the last classes in short. So in the last class we have talked about the combustion, what is the combustion actually and how it will occur, and the necessary condition for it along with an activity. So I hope this is very clear to all of you. And we also talked about in the second video about the different kinds of terms related to the combustion, like the substance which are actually differentiate on the basis of the combustion, flammable, non-flammable, kind of in the term of combustion we can say the combustible and non-combustible substances. Second was the ignition temperature and the supporter of combustion here. So this is all about the past classes what we have done. Now today we will discuss about the condition of combustion. Yes, the condition which actually allow the combustion to happen. So let's get back to the same topic in a next slide. So there are some necessary points from where we can understand that combustible, how it can propagate. So these are the conditions as follows. The first one is the presence of a combustible substance. Yes, this is very important. Without having any combustible substance, how we can make anything to catch fire? In the last classes, in the last video already we have learned about the combustible substance that easily can catch the fire, just like diesel, LPG, etc. So these are the things which actually make anything combustible, and obviously we can say the condition to start the combustion process. The second most important condition for the combustion is the presence of supporter of combustion. In the very first video, we have already learned that oxygen is helped to burn the magnesium ribbon over the Bunsen burner or a candle. So, say for example, we can say this oxygen is a supporter of the combustion. So that we can say a combustible substance continue to burn only if there is continuous supply of the supporter of the combustion. If we cut off any one of them, just like combustion, if it is required, oxygen, charcoal, anything, if we cut off the supply of it, obviously the process will stop there. So here is an activity from which we can show that supporter of combustion, why it is very important. So let's have a look on the activity.
Air contains oxygen. Air is not a single entity, but it contains several gases in different percentages. The following activity demonstrates the presence of oxygen in air. Take two glass vessels, place a candle in each of them and ignite the wicks. Fill the two vessels with water up to a certain level. Place an inverted glass on each candle. The glasses must be of different sizes. After some time, the candle covered with the smaller glass gets extinguished first, followed by the candle in the larger glass. Knowing the fact that air is required for combustion, this just proves that both the glasses contain air, but the larger glass contains more amount of air. The part of air that supports burning is called oxygen. It is also observed that there is some air left inside the glasses after the candles have been extinguished. This part of air that doesn't support burning contains gases such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen and inert gases. Nitrogen constitutes 80% of the air. Thus, air is a mixture made up of several gases such as oxygen and nitrogen.
The last and very important condition for the combustion is what? To initial heating of any kind of combustible substance to bring its own ignition temperature. Now what is this? I will explain to you right now. Okay, so what is the ignition temperature in our knowledge? What is that? We already know the ignition temperature is the lowest temperature when any kind of object will start catching the fire. So obviously it is a very common kind of experience that nobody any kind of substance will not catch fire it by its own, except then it's something kind of exception, just like sodium, potassium, etc. There are some chemical reason for that, so that they will catch fire in the presence of oxygen, but still they need the oxygen. That is a different kind of thing. But generally what we have seen, that any kind of substance or any kind of element will not take catch fire by its own. So we need to heat it up, or we need to give them a initial heating, so that it can reach to the lowest temperature, at least the lowest temperature, from where it can start catching the fire. And this is what the most important thing here in the condition of a combustion. I hope this video will help you to understand the condition of the combustion as well. In case any kind of doubt regarding the same topic, if you have, then you can ask in my live classes or to the concerned teacher as well. Stay happy, stay healthy, keep learning. Thank you and Jai Hind.